Happy Thursday, class. Welcome to the agenda video. So I plan on starting to do this every day along with the email for the question of the day. So great place for you all to check in, see what we're working on, and a great way if you are not here to stay current. So today, last day of the quarter, so it is a makeup day. So we are still doing our question of the day. So make sure you are checking Outlook, watching the video a couple of times, answering the related questions. We're also working on SolidProfessor. Today we're going to do assembly structure. This should help connect some of the dots with the assembly that we were doing for the Model Rocket project. And then last but not least, with it being missing work day, last day of the quarter, go back through Infinite Campus. Make sure you've got all of your stuff up to date. Any sort of Outlook questions of the days that you have not done over the last couple of weeks, go ahead and get them done. Get them back to me, and I will make sure they get added to the grade. Same with SolidProfessor question of the day stuff. So get those done. I'm marking those for completion. So those are easy 100% if you get those done. And then last but not least, retake for better grades, all of the SolidProfessor Review Tests. Those are your daily exit tickets. I know some days we're working till the bell on our projects and you probably have missed some. Maybe you missed a day, you didn't do them. So, don't be satisfied with those 20s, 30s, 40% that you got. Take it a couple times, get A's and B's on those. No reason to have bad grades when it comes to SolidProfessor, especially with unlimited retakes. As far as the Rocket project that we started working on yesterday in class, we are going to go ahead and postpone that until next week so everybody can work on improving their grades, making mom, dad, guardians, yourself, all happy with how you end third quarter. And then last but not least, if you are one of my handful of students still working on OSHA, please get it done. Missing work deadline is tomorrow, Friday by 8 a.m. So I've got time to get it graded. If you need more time, email me. We can have a discussion. But otherwise, anything after 8 a.m. tomorrow is going to be considered too late for third quarter grades. Other than that, have a great weekend, and I will see you all on Monday.